Hello, business owners. I am Karan Garg, your business growth consultant. For the last 22 years, I have had the opportunity to work with more than 2000 plus business owners across different industries and countries. During this journey, I noticed something very interesting. The businesses that grow consistently are not always the ones with the best products or services. They are not always the ones with the biggest offices. They are not always the ones with the most experienced teams. And also, the businesses that grow are the ones that have the right system. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that I work 12 hours a day, my teams keep asking me questions, sales go up and down, customers leave, payments get delayed, and somehow everything depends on me only? If your answer is yes, congratulations. You are not alone. In fact, that is exactly where most business owners are stuck. We all started our business to get freedom, but somewhere along the journey, our businesses start owning us. Instead of becoming the founder or the CEO, we became the receptionist, the salesman, the accountant, customer support, HR manager, and sometimes even the office peon or housekeeping also. Funny, isn't it? If you can relate to this, please write me in the comments so that I can understand that you are relating to this particular emotion. Now imagine something different. Imagine a business where leads keep coming, customers trust you, your teams know exactly what to do, payments come on time, customers become your repeat buyers, referrals increase naturally, and most importantly, you finally get time for yourself and your family. Sounds good, isn't it? That is exactly what we will be discussing in the upcoming 10 videos in this particular series. This is a practical business operating methodology and a framework built from 2 decades of real experience and not theory. Real experience of me working with my own clients. Over the next 10 videos, I will teach you the complete framework that you can implement in any business. There will be 9 steps that we will be talking about, and these 9 steps are divided into 3 phases. Phase number 1, business development. Phase number 2 will be customer acquisition, and phase number 3 will be customer success. And finally, in a bonus video number 10, which will be probably the most valuable one, I will show you how to actually implement all 9 steps inside your own business. No complicated management language, no MBA textbooks, only practical ideas. So subscribe and follow me, follow this series, share it with other business owners in your contacts, because I promise you, if you implement these 9 steps, your business will never be managed the same way again. See you in the next video number 2. We are going to start with the most ignored part of the business, which is step number 1 by the name prospecting.